in 1974-75. Gradually, different groups took to arms, and in the 1990s, militancy had increased in strength. An accord was signed in 1993, leading to the formation of Bodoland Autonomous Council, but this did not solve the conflict between different groups. Violent conflict with Muslims broke out in 1994. Bodos attacked Santos in 1996, and several hundred people died, and more than 2 lakhs were displaced. Some of them still living in camps. An accord of 2003 led to the formation of Bodoland territorial areas, district allocated economic strength to the area, but it did not solve the situation. Peace was not established before the creation of Bodoland territorial region in 2020, when government of India and a number of government level institutions and organizations agreed to peace. Further, and militant groups laid down their weapons. Further militant groups laid down the weapons 2 years later, and one may now say that peace had come. But to have peace is not to say that every problem is solved. Our interest here is in the ways forward. It is relevant to point to the large impact civil society organizations had in the peace process among the Bodos Apsu and the Bodos Sahita Saba over the years were for peaceful negotiation. It was their approach which proved successful in 2020. Today, representatives from both are invited and will give voice to their considerations for the way forward. But we shall also look at the multiple approaches from other civil society organizations working for peace. In the initial state of conflict in 1960s, there were not as many civil society organizations compared to the thousands of today. When we look at the reported registration of civil society organizations and as NGOs, the growth was slow. This is due to the fact that many of the later civil society organizations sprang from ad hoc initiatives addressing relief and only later turned into formal civilization organizations. As religious